We are from group 5. In group 5, we will present about mention of symptom. Before this, before we start presentation, will we start to introduce the theme of group 5. Number 1, me. My name is Danu Udi. And then number 2, Miss Nunung Sukiyarti. And then number 3, Mbak Miss Dewi Widyastuti. And then number 3, Miss Terang Ukur Ginting.
Dimension of patient symptom. Anin is suffering from stomachache. She is now in the hospital and a nurse is helping her to recover. Read the following conversation. Oh, my stomach is too bad.
What does it like?
It seems a needle prick on my stomach.
Please lay down here. I will give a first aid.
Thanks.
This may help you to heal the pain. Don't move. Just lay down here for several minutes.
Thanks a lot.
What do you feel now? Lanjut.
I feel better now.
I'm happy to hear that. Does the pain occur frequently?
No, it doesn't. I just suffer it.
When did you feel it?
This morning. Oh, it hurts again.
You are not totally cured. Then, please still lay down here. The doctor will examine you.
Can you give any medicine?
Sorry, cannot, but you can use this. You can use it to heal the pain.
The following are useful expressions used by nurse to initially patient. Where do you feel? Artinya, di mana yang kamu rasakan? Where does the pain? Di mana sakitnya? Show me where it is. Tunjukkan di mana tempatnya. Does it hurt? Apakah itu menyakitkan? What is it like? Seperti apa itu? It is big. Apakah itu besar? How big it is? Seberapa besar? How does it feel? Bagaimana rasanya? What does the pain look like? Seperti apa rasa sakitnya? When did it last? Kapan itu bertahan? What was the worst pain you felt? Apa rasa sakit terparah yang Anda rasakan? Does it bother your activity? Apakah itu mengganggu aktivitas Anda? Can you still move your arm? Apakah kamu bisa menggerakkan tanganmu? Can you eat spicy? Bisakah kamu makan pedas? When did you first notice it? Kapan Anda pertama kali menyadarinya? How long does it last? Berapa lama itu bertahan? How often does it happen? Seberapa sering hal itu terjadi? How long have you suffered from it? Sudah berapa lama Anda menderita karenanya? Do you suffer it frequently? Apakah Anda sering mengalaminya? What did you do before that? Apa yang kamu lakukan sebelumnya? Did you clean your house before? Apakah Anda pernah membersihkan rumah Anda sebelumnya? Is it itchy? Apakah gatal? Does it hurt? Apakah itu menyakitkan? Do you vomit? Apakah kamu muntah? Do you feel better now? Apakah Anda merasa lebih baik sekarang? Next.
C. Reading dengue fever symptom. Dengue fever is endemic in tropical and subtropical areas. Dengue fever is estimated by the World Health Organization to cause about 15 up to 100 million infections per year worldwide. USA Center for Disease Control and Prevention consider dengue fever to cause the majority of acute febrile illness in travel returning to the US. The first clinical report of dengue fever was in
1789. 1789.
By B. Ras, although the Chinese may have described the disease associated with flying insects as early as 420 AD. African describes Kadinga people as cramp-like seizure caused by an evil spirit. Kok bergema ya? The Spanish may have changed dinga to dengue since it means fastidious or careful in Spanish, which describes the gait of people trying to reduce the pain of walking. Lanjut. Wih. Sebelahnya. Unfortunately, the disease incidence seems to be increasing. Research suggests the surge in dengue fever may be due to several factors. One, increased urban crowding with more sites for mosquito to develop. Two, international commerce that contains infect mosquito introducing the disease to area previously free of the disease. Three, local and world environment change that allow mosquito to survive the winter months. 4, international travelers who carry the disease to areas where mosquitoes have not been previously infected. Lanjut ini ya. Dengue has spread widely throughout the world. The WHO distribution map show that dengue fever mainly occurs in tropical and subtropical areas. In the USA, dengue fever has been detected in California, Florida, Texas, and Hawaii. Other area where it has been detected or there has been an outbreak of the disease included the Philippines, Taiwan, Samoa, Brazil, Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, Thailand, and New Delhi. However, as a climate warm, experts suggest dengue will become more prevalent. Lanjut. Udah. In 2015, an outbreak of dengue fever occurred in New Delhi, the worst in 5 years. Over 10,000 people tested positive for dengue fever. There have been at least 32 deaths attributed to this outbreak. State-run hospitals were so overcrowded that patients were sharing beds. An independent group, Branch University, suggests the actual number of people in India with dengue are vastly underreported. Dew.
Ya. Itu ya. Baik, sekarang berdasarkan translate-nya. Gejala demam berdarah. Demam berdarah endemik di daerah tropis dan subtropis. Demam berdarah diperkirakan oleh tutup ini. Tutup ya. Apa tuh? Oleh Badan Kesehatan Dunia atau WHO menyebabkan sekitar 50 sampai 100 juta infeksi per tahun di seluruh dunia. Pusat Penelitian dan Pencegahan Penyakit di Amerika Serikat menganggap demam berdarah sebagai penyebab mayoritas penyakit akut pada pelancong yang kembali ke Amerika Serikat. Laporan klinis pertama demam berdarah dilakukan pada tahun 1700.
Harusnya.
Siapa yang oleh Mr. B. Rush. Penyakit berhubungan dengan serangga terbang sejak tahun 420 Masehi. Orang Afrika menggambarkan sebagai kadinga pepo, sebagai kejang seperti kram yang disebabkan oleh roh jahat. Bangsa Spanyol mungkin telah mengubah dinga menjadi menjadi demam berdarah karena artinya teliti atau hati-hati dalam bahasa Spanyol. Ya. Bahasanya hilang. Screen-nya hilang ya. Bentar. Ya. Saya kembali. Maaf gangguan sinyal lagi. Kita lanjut ya teman-teman. Dalam bahasa Spanyol yang menggambarkan gaya orang yang mencoba mengurangi rasa sakit saat berjalan. Sayangnya kejadian penyakit tampaknya harus terus meningkat. Peneliti menyarankan lonjakan demam berdarah mungkin karena beberapa faktor, yaitu meningkatnya kepadatan kota dengan lebih banyak situs untuk nyamuk berkembang. Kemudian perdagangan internasional yang mengandung nyamuk yang terinfeksi sehingga memperkenalkan penyakit ke daerah yang sebelumnya bebas penyakit. Kemudian perubahan lingkungan lokal dan dunia yang memungkinkan nyamuk bertahan hidup selama berbulan-bulan musim dingin. Kemudian pelancong internasional yang membawa penyakit ini ke daerah di mana nyamuk belum pernah terinfeksi sebelumnya. Demam berdarah telah menyebar luas ke seluruh dunia. Peta sebaran WHO menunjukkan bahwa demam berdarah terutama terjadi di daerah tropis dan subtropis. Di Amerika Serikat, demam berdarah pernah terdeteksi di California, Florida, Texas, dan Hawaii. Daerah lain di mana telah terdeteksi atau terjadi wabah penyakit termasuk Filipina, Taiwan, Samoa, Brasil, Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, Thailand, dan New Delhi. Namun saat iklim hangat, para ahli menyarankan demam berdarah akan menjadi lebih umum. Pada tahun 2015, wabah demam berdarah terjadi di New Delhi, terparah dalam 5 tahun terakhir itu. Lebih dari 10.000 orang dinyatakan positif demam berdarah, setidaknya ada 32 kematian yang dikaitkan dengan wabah ini. Rumah sakit yang dikelola negara begitu penuh, sesak, sehingga pasien berbagi tempat tidur. Sebuah kelompok independen dari Universitas Brandeis menyatakan bahwa jumlah sebenarnya penderita demam berdarah di India sangat tidak dilaporkan.
Past progressive tense. The past progressive tense, also known as the past continuous tense, indicates to a continuing action, something going on that was happening at some point in the past. The past progressive tense is formed by combining the past tense of to be, was or were, with the verb present participle, verb ing word. Past progressive tense atau lebih sering dikenal dengan nama past continuous tense menunjukkan kegiatan yang berkelanjutan, sesuatu yang sedang terjadi di masa lampau, sedang terjadi, atau kegiatan tersebut telah dimulai tapi belum selesai pada saat itu. Keterangan waktu ini dibentuk dengan kata bantu kata kerja lampau yaitu was atau were, ditambah dengan kata kerja yang diikuti dengan ing di akhir kata. Use past progressive tense. The use of the past progressive tense, which has a function to express several states or follows. 1. Indication an activity that occurred at certain time in the past. Mengindikasikan sesuatu yang terjadi saat waktu tertentu di masa lampau. Example, I was shopping at this time yesterday. They were roasting corn at this time last night. 2. So that there is an activity of short duration that occurs when an activity of long duration is underway. Untuk menunjukkan bahwa ada kegiatan berdurasi pendek, simple past, yang terjadi ketika suatu kegiatan berdurasi panjang atau past continuous tense sedang berlangsung. Subordinate conjunction when atau while dapat digunakan. Example, she was sleeping when you called her. The door was knocked while was studying. Formula past progressive tense positif. Subject to be plus verb ing plus complement. Subjeknya I, she, he, it, you, we, they. To be was. Verb ing plus verb ing terus complement object, adjective, adverb. Subjeknya you, we, they, to be-nya were, plus verb ing, plus object, adjective, adverb. Example, I was traveling. Saya sedang berlibur. The workers were queuing. Para pekerja sedang mengantri. Past progressive tense negatif. Subject plus to be not plus verb ing plus complement. Subject I, she, he, it, plus was not plus being plus object adverb. Subjeknya you, we, they plus were not plus being plus object adjective adverb. Example, I was not traveling. The works were not clearing. Past progress interrogative. To be plus subject plus being plus complement question plus question. Was I plus being plus object ya. Example, was I traveling? Were the works clearing? Past progressive tense atau past continuous tense plus past tense. Untuk fungsi yang menunjukkan bahwa ada kegiatan berdurasi pendek atau simple past yang terjadi ketika suatu kegiatan berdurasi panjang atau past continuous tense sedang berlangsung, subordinate conjunction when atau while dapat digunakan. Example, Emily was reading a book when I found her. We were watching television when she came.